Here I get the A40 package. And don't forget our CTP25 package, and actually I can't wait to open them up. Well, we've got these two packages ready, so I'm going to unbox this two package, and to be honest, I can't wait to see what's surprising are waiting for me. So let's get started with the A40 package first. Let's to see what we have. So the first I got a quick start guide of the A40, and then the main unit, the all-in-one video bar. Let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, to be honest, I really love the textures on it, and there is an electric privacy shutter. Let's dive in and to see. Oh, there are two TV clip mount on it, as well as the mounting bracket for wall mounting. And don't forget about all kinds of cablings for the connections. Yeah, so that's all for the A40 package. And then the CTP25 package. The quick start guide of the CTP25. And then the touch console. Yeah. So compared to the previous one, the CTP18, yeah, its size it's larger, and I'm pretty sure it will give you better touch experience in the meetings. And there is a desk stand on that, which can, yeah, you can place your CTP25 on the flat table. And of course, I remember if you want to get fancy, we've also provided CTP25 mount kits as an optional accessories, which conclude the rotatable table lock and the wall mount for the mounting. Yeah, so that's all the items about the package. So next step, I'm gonna set up the whole systems of the A40. So follow me and let's set up it together. Alright, let's dive into what makes the A40 so awesome. The A40 packs everything you need: camera, microphone, speaker, and Android 13 system into one slick all-in-one device. But that's not all. The A40 is also one of the first Android devices out there that comes with Microsoft device ecosystem platform, which means it's super secure and a breeze to manage. Sounds cool, right? Well, don't just take my word for it. Come on, let's set it up together. So setting up this is quite a piece of cake because there are a few cables to plug in. Yeah, as you can see, the internet, the power, and HDMI. So connected cables. And boom, we're ready to go. And there is a highlight that I want to show you, that our A40 and CTP25 support being connected directly. So I have already connected one Cat5e cable to the CTP25 touch console. So all I have to do right now is to plug in the other end to the A40 bar. And we're waiting for the startup process. Yeah, as you can see, our touch console is connected successfully. So with that, we've got our one cable solution, making the setup as easy as it gets. And then I'll do some basic configuration. Select the language, do some network configuration, select the time zone, select the Microsoft Teams room platform, and press the password. Yeah, so all set. Let's get started. And next, I'm gonna log into the Teams account through the web page. So I've already input the code it provides to me to sign in and select the Teams account to log in. And then just waiting for the login process. And here is the best part. You only need to log in once now. Gone are the days of logging separately for both the bar and touch console. In just 1 to 2 minutes, you'll be ready to kick off your meeting. And there you have it. We've successfully set up and logged into the A40, and it only took a few minutes. Now, let me tell you about another cool feature of the one cable solution. Besides the cable connecting the A40 and CTP25, there's also a single USB-C cable that handles 4K sharing, BYOD, and PD charging, all in one. Yep, you heard that right. 3 functions with just one cable. So I'll show you how it works. So first I need to connect one side to the CTP25 touch console. And then connect the other side to my laptop. Yep, as you can see, I complete the content sharing. And also there's a notification from the touch console that I can enter the BYOD. So I will enable it. And now I'm gonna open my camera on my laptop. At this time, I can switch my camera from my laptop to the Yealink camera. Yeah, it worked. So it means you can join any meeting in any platform you prefer and using our A40 as an external devices. It's amazing that how one cable solution that keeps everything simple, cuts down on the cable mass, and gets you up and running in no time. Simple, powerful, secure, that's what A40 stands for. Looking forward to more unboxing and test video of our new products. Follow me and see you next time.